Okay, so welcome back. So we were sorry. Okay, so the D inner is greater than the D outer. Similarly, E inner is greater because E inner is equals to Q divided by 4 pi A square. Actually, 4 pi epsilon not A square. That's the Coulomb's law. And E outer is equals to Q over 4 pi epsilon naught B square. Okay. So now one more thing. Psi equals to Q. So charge here is Q. On the inner surface, how much charge we have? Q. On the outer surface, how much charge we have? Q. So psi, psi inner equals to charge of the inner equals to psi outer sphere equals to charge on the outer sphere. Okay, so psi is not going to change. So as you move from the inner sphere to the outer sphere, electric field intensity is going to decrease. Yeah. So as we move from inner sphere to outer, as we move from inner sphere to outer sphere, E E and D decreases, but psi remains constant. Okay, psi remains constant. So that's the whole idea. That's the whole concept here. As you move from the inner sphere to outer sphere, psi is not going to change. And it's shown here. Everything is shown here on this slide. To go through this example, 1.1, solve this example also. Okay, solve this example also. So when we come back, we'll continue with this special case. Okay, any question here? We'll continue to the special case when you come back to the campus. Till then, solve this example 3.1 from the book. This one.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Any question
Okay.
here? Any question to the point?
No, sir.
Okay. Okay.
No, sir.
Take care till then. Allah Hafiz.
Okay.
Allah Hafiz,
Allah
sir.
Hafiz.
Allah Hafiz.
Allah Hafiz.
Allah Hafiz.
Tender